Welcome, tech fans. We are excited to share with you today an exclusive first look at the much-awaited Google Pixel Fold 2, which has undergone major alterations from its predecessor. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the verified specs and fascinating details of this state-of-the-art gadget. Please share your excitement for the Pixel Fold 2 in the comments section below before we set out on this exciting adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our feed to receive updates on the newest technology. Now, let's delve into the realm of confirmed specifications. According to a recent report from Android Authority, a reliable source spilled the beans on some crucial upgrades that the Pixel Fold 2 is set to feature. Firstly, Google is making a bold move by skipping the Tensor G3 chipset seen in the latest Pixel 8 phone. Instead, the Pixel Fold 2 will debut with the all-new Tensor G4 from Google, promising enhanced performance. This strategic decision may impact the release date. In addition to the chipset upgrade, the Pixel Fold 2 is set to boast a substantial increase in memory, featuring a whopping 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, a significant leap from the predecessor's 12 GB. Moreover, users can expect faster storage with UFS 4, elevating the overall performance of the device. The previous Pixel Fold was introduced at Google's I/O event last year, but a recent report suggests that the Pixel Fold 2 will make its debut alongside the Pixel 9. This delay allows Google to showcase the latest Tensor G4 chipset, avoiding potential obsolescence at launch.
Let's talk about the Tensor G4 chipset. New information from Geekbench 5 shows that it has an 8-core CPU cluster with ARM's powerful Mali G715 GPU. Early benchmark shows across that are lower than those of the Tensor G3. But it's important to remember that these could change before the official release. As per Google dedication to state-of-the-art technology, the Tensor G4 will likely show excellent all-performance, even in the face of possible early benchmark.
Let's now turn our attention to the Pixel Fold 2's outside design. We've been able to see a real-life image of the smartphone thanks to Android Authority. The source is protected by purposeful blurring of some details, but we can still make out a modified camera module with 4 sensors housed in a small rectangle in the upper left corner. We expect a wide-angle, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. The 4th sensor might be anything from an infrared temperature sensor to a time-of-flight sensor for depth information, though the precise specs of these sensors are still unknown. Notable changes in the form factor are also apparent, with a narrower cover display attributed to optimization issues with certain apps on the previous model. The inner aspect ratio is reported to be more square, potentially enhancing the user experience. Additionally, the Pixel Fold 2 is rumored to sport an aluminum frame and more curved inner and outer displays, addressing concerns about bezel size and providing a more premium aesthetic. Excitement is building for the Pixel Fold 2, and as leaks continue to surface, we can expect more details to emerge. Stay tuned for updates as we bring you the latest information on this groundbreaking device. Now, for those eagerly anticipating the Pixel Fold 2, let's delve into the full specifications, design, and expected pricing to help you decide if this device is worth the wait. When it comes to the Pixel Fold 2's display, we're anticipating a 6.5-inch cover display with a 120 Hz OLED screen protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The internal display is expected to see an increase in size due to the redesigned form factor, likely featuring a 7.9-inch 120 Hz foldable OLED with a peak brightness of around 2000 nits. The device is set to house 2 selfie cameras, one on the cover display and another under the display on the inside. Rumors suggest an upgrade to a 10.5 megapixel selfie camera for the cover display, with speculation about an under-display camera for the inner display. Moving on to the rear cameras, the Pixel Fold 2 is anticipated to feature a primary 108 megapixel wide-angle camera with advanced autofocus technologies, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with optical image stabilization and 5x optical zoom. The 4th sensor's purpose remains a mystery, but theories range from a time-of-flight sensor for depth information to a temperature sensor, considering Google's FDA approval for human use.
Under the hood, Google Tensor G4 chipset which provides a powerful all-performance. Will powerful the Galaxy Fold 2 with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and storage capacities ranges from 256 GB to a massive 1 TB UFS 4. The device claims to provide you with enough capacity for all your demands and seamless multitasking. The anticipated battery capacity 5000 mAh with the ability to charge via wireless methods, Wi-Fi 7, 5G Bluetooth 5.3, and ultra-wideband are examples of connectivity features with the most recent version of Android 15. The Pixel Fold 2 will guarantee a smooth and current user experience out of the box.
As for the price, the Pixel Fold 2 is estimated to launch around $1,800. However, due to potential delays, the release is likely to coincide with the Pixel 9 series in October. Despite the wait, the Pixel Fold 2 seems poised to deliver a host of improvements, refining the foldable phone experience for users seeking cutting-edge technology.